Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Virtue Otto, and on this channel I share videos on food and business. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In today's video I'll be showing you some ways or strategies in which you can promote your business or market your business on social media. I'll also be sharing the benefits of marketing your product. Marketing is basically the process of promoting or selling a product or a service to a particular target audience, and it involves some strategies and activities aimed at creating awareness of your product, generating interest for your product, and ultimately persuading customers or clients to buy your product. I'll be explaining marketing now as if I'm talking to a 10-year-old, okay? To drive my point home. So let's say you have a toy that you want to sell, or you make ice cream. Marketing is simply telling beautiful stories around this product or service that you offer, so that it will generate, first of all, it will make people get to know this ice cream. It will now generate an interest where people get to love this ice cream and try out this ice cream or decide to buy this ice cream that you have talked so much about. So that's what marketing does, or that's what marketing is all about in a nutshell. So the goal of marketing is basically making people love your product and want to try it out, and eventually they get to try it out or they get to buy it. So it's just creating awareness for your product, helping people generate interest in your product, and ultimately buying your product. Most of the times these things are not automatic. People get to know your product, maybe at that particular time they don't need this product, but the fact that they know you offer this product, it even happens to us. I know a lot of screenshots that I have on my phone. In fact, I need to start deleting some of them. A lot of screenshots, right? You see something, you're like, this product looks nice, but the fact is the person marketed that product, the person promoted that product for you to even see it. Then you generated an interest in it, and then you decide to try it out when you need it. But there are different levels or different kinds of audiences. There are some that are ready to buy right now. There are some that will buy later. There are some that will even buy later with much, maybe as you keep promoting your product and talking about your product. Some now find out that they actually even need this product. So clients and customers, they're in different buying journeys, like they're different buying phases. But the truth is, marketing helps them to even know about your product and then decide when or if they are going to buy that product. I hope you understand what I mean. Marketing actually involves a lot of strategies, and most of them includes creating awareness for your product, generating interest for a particular product, and ultimately persuading potential clients or persuading clients to buy what your business has to offer. First marketer of your product. If you don't carry your product on your head, so who else is going to carry your product on your head, on the head? So you are the first marketer of your product. And another thing I want you to also know is that there's nothing as being secretive when it comes to being in business. Like, no one has received an award for being the best kept secret. If you're producing yogurt, if you're producing cakes, if you're producing, no matter what you're producing, being the best secret cannot help you in what you do. Marketing opens a wide range of benefits for your products. Mentioning some of the benefits of marketing your products. Number one is increase in sales, and that's what everyone loves. So marketing your product, letting people know about your product, could actually lead to increase in sales, because it creates an awareness for that product you're marketing, helps to create an interest in your product, and then ultimately leads to a sale. It's not everybody that sees your product that will buy it, but the more people see your product, the more people are also likely to buy your product. Consistent and well-executed marketing efforts can help build brand recognition. Basically, people get to know your brand. And it helps to establish your business as a reputable business, and a business that can be trusted. Then the third benefit of marketing your product is customer loyalty. Engaging in promotions of your product will help to build that connection with customers, and they are more likely to repeat purchases. So if you keep putting your product out there, sharing relatable stories, telling a story around your brand, sharing value, teaching people, educating people around your products and services, you could also give them a call to action. You tell a story, you tell them, what do you think about the story? Share your thoughts in the comment section. It helps people connect with your brand, and the next time they think of buying that product, they would always think of you. So it makes you the go-to brand. It makes you your product or your business to be remembered. Why do you think big companies still advertise? You see Coca-Cola advertising, you see all the big companies that have even arrived, sort of, they're advertising, they're marketing, and you, a growing business, you don't want to market, you don't want to bring out your product for people to even know that this product exists. And also helps in the growth of your business. The more you market your product, the more people see your product, and the more people are likely to buy your product. And when people buy your products, the more profit you make, and the more you are able to sustain your business. I hope you get that. Make sure you are costing your product right, and you're actually selling your product at the right price to be able to make profit. And with your profit, you can sustain your business, and your business, you can invest in your business also for your business to grow, or even expand your business. It also helps in effective communication. When you're marketing or promoting your products, you get to tell people the pricing, the features of your product, what makes your product unique. People get to know more about your product. So that's one of the things that marketing also does. One of the ways of marketing your product is through social media, but there are ways in which you market on social media. And in order for your marketing, or in order for your product marketing to be effective in social media, so the first thing you want to do is to understand your target audience. Who are you targeting? Who are the specific people? Who is your ideal customer? If you're selling yogurt, who is your customer? If you're selling cakes, who are your ideal clients? When you have asked yourself that question, the next thing you also want to know or note is their demographics, their age, their interest. What do these people like? What interests them? So when, in fact, you have to craft your customer avatar. What is their age bracket? What is their interest? How much do they even earn? What do they live? Where do they stay? If you understand your audience, then it will lead to the next stage, which is choosing the right social media platform in which you want to advertise. When it comes to social media, we have YouTube, Pinterest, there are a whole lot, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We also have LinkedIn. So let's say you're selling a knowledge-based product, maybe an ebook, an online course. You know how to tailor it to LinkedIn. You know that LinkedIn is not for children. LinkedIn is mostly for professionals. You would know the right platform to choose. If it's Facebook, you will know, okay, Facebook is more for this group of people, so let me market on this particular platform. Are your customers on Instagram more? Then you would know they can also be in more than one of these platforms. When you understand who your ideal customer is, where they stay, where they hang out on social media, then it will help you to choose the right platform. One thing you need to note about promoting on social media is that you have to create quality content. Basically, content is any information at all that you put out there, whether it's for educational purposes, for entertainment, whatever information you put out there is known as content. So in this case, if you're selling a physical product like cakes, in my own case, it's creating quality cake pictures, top-notch quality photography for my cakes, and then choosing the right platform to post it on. For me, I'm on Instagram, I'm also on Facebook. Snap good pictures of your cakes, your jobs that you have done, post them on social media. And not just posting them, write valuable content, maybe teaching people something new, maybe about the food industry, create value around that product picture and then use the relevant hashtags. For instance, if you are in a location like Port Harcourt, you could use the hashtag cakes in Port Harcourt or Port Harcourt bakers. Just research on the hashtags that suit your industry, basically. The reason why it's good to use hashtags is, I'll ask you a question. When you want to buy something, let's say from Instagram, let's say you want to order for a cake, most times I'm sure you will just go to Instagram and type cakes in your location. For instance, cakes in Port Harcourt or cakes in Umuahia or cakes in Asaba, cakes in Lagos. When you type cakes in Lagos, you will find out, let's say on Instagram, that a lot of pictures just show up. So you choose the one you want. So you have to make sure that as a vendor, you are discoverable, you are visible when people search for your products. Another way you can also maximize social media is through getting on Google My Business, registering your business on Google. I've created a video. Check in my business playlist folder a video that will show you how you can register, how you can get your business on Google, so that when people are searching for businesses related to yours, your name would pop up. Make sure that you are showing up with quality content, quality pictures of your product, creating value, teaching people things about your product and even things outside your product. It's very important that you get your business on Google, because Google is the largest search engine and it has the largest market share, and people always go to Google. In fact, it's as if you can just ask Google anything and it just tells you. I've gotten a lot of orders through this. So when they search cakes in this particular location, my business name pops up. There are other businesses that come up, so they decide who they want to choose. So sometimes they tell me, I saw you on Google, I saw you on Google. In fact, if you are always changing locations, this is the best way to start. Another way you can also market your product is through YouTube. There are so many reasons people are on YouTube, right? So of course you can make money through your videos, through AdSense, but you can market your products on YouTube. There's a way to it. So you give value around that product. Let's say you find out a particular topic that people are interested in that revolves around your product. You educate people on it. Then you tell people, okay, this is what I do. So you can market your, I've gotten some business deals also on YouTube. Mostly my ebooks, I've gotten lots of sales from YouTube. So it's a lot of people are cashing out on Instagram, YouTube, but there's a way to it. You have to find a way of making yourself visible. If not, your business will just be there looking. And the reason why you're in business is for you to make sales and profits. Ultimately, profit. Make sales, then make profit, because it's through money that you can sustain your business. You can even expand your business and all that. So you have to find ways to market your product. Christmas is coming close. I'm sure you see a lot of people bundling offers and you're wondering, what are these people doing? They are busy cashing out. They are cashing out. So make sure that you're discoverable. Some people say, I don't want to be on Instagram, I don't want to be on social media. So why are you in business, basically? Because now COVID opened our eyes to a lot of things, and now people are more comfortable even buying things online. There's something known as the KLT factor, which is the know, like, trust factor. So people have to know you, like you, and trust you before they can buy from you. So if they don't even know you, and that's where marketing comes in. Marketing is basically making people know about your product and services. How, if they don't know you, how do they even get to like you, or how do they even and now proceed to even trust you to do business with you? Because business is about trust, especially this online space, because you're not seeing what you're buying. You know, people will tell you what you ordered versus what you got. So basically, you're not seeing what you're buying. So people have to know you, they will have to like you, and then trust you to do business with you. But you have to do your own part by even coming out. And you have to share content that educates, content that is relatable. When I mean by relatable content, it is content that people can relate to. Probably they have gone through something like that, or they're even going through what you're talking about. So it makes them to even engage on your post. Before you know it, you're getting more shares and likes, and before you know it, more people are getting to know it, because the more people get to know it, the more likely you are to make sales. Most of the sales I've gotten is by showing up. You can even run ads. I know someone that ordered, because I also run a Trevial Fabrics brand. I know someone where we do mostly Ankara products, sales of quality materials, and also souvenirs made with Ankara. I ran a particular ads that brought in a lot of people into a group that wanted to buy my products. Right from that ad I ran, someone ordered 100 pieces of my jotter. So you have to be on social media. You have to look for ways of marketing your product. So you can run ads while you're also promoting through content. You can also do run ads. Another way you can also promote on social media is through influencer marketing. Getting people, influencers, people that already have a large following or a particular amount of following, then paying them or having collaborations with them to promote your product. The influencer marketing economy is growing rapidly, and a lot of people are cashing out through influencers. There are some products I use currently that I started using because an influencer advertised that product. I can remember Viva. I don't know how Viva detergents. If you asked me maybe some years back if I was going to use Viva, I would say no, because I was stuck with a lot of other detergents. But when I saw celebrities advertising Viva, I've seen Chef Hilda, world record holder, advertising Viva, a whole lot of celebrities. I decided to try out Viva detergent, and guess what? That's what we are using currently in my house. That's the power of using influencers to promote your brand. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos like this, you'll be informed. Thank you for watching.